Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today the topic is Upgrade NFT. Invest in tools that will enable you to sell NFT at. Collect NFT for upgrade and rarity chase, then leasing to other to upgrade. Upgrade. Enrich your NFT by combining with other people's NFT to create a new NFT that is even more valuable. Earn. Lease your NFT to others to upgrade their NFT and get a fair royalty when they sell the new upgrade NFT. The upgrade ecosystem. Meet XUP token. The fuel of upgrade. Token specification. Token name, XUP. Token symbol, XUP. Total supply, 100 million XUP. XUP token is Ethereum's ERC20 token. XUP token holders can swap ERC20 XUP token for XUP token on another network as a 1:1 rate if system open. Utility. NFT rental fee. Creative Shop native token. Staking. Platform governance. Special bonus for investors. As a reward for investors, we will distribute the right to mint the special thanks secret NFT to investors according to the amount invested. Referral program. Recommend friends to invest. Get the right to mint the special thanks secret NFT according to the amount of money your friend has invested. Make by the company. Enter corporation. Basically, ICO projects are developed by a team, but we are different. Upgrade is created by a company with a proven track record. Roadmap. Major milestone. Q4 2021. Project launch. Market research. Q1 2022. Launch upgrade. Tools. MVP version. Whitelist, start. Q2 2022. Whitelist, end. ICO private sale, start and end. ICO public sale, start. Q3 2022. ICO public sale, end. User experience research. Q4 2022. Token distribution. Distribution. The special thanks secret NFT to token investor. Start token listing process on CEX. Q1 2023. Upgrade. Tools. Go live, feature, upgrade. Earn fees in XUP token. Work with OpenSea and Ethereum. Q2 2023. Governance program. Go live. Creative Shop. Go live. Q3 2023. Open API, go live. Start integrate to suitable blockchain, such as BSC, Solana, Tezos, etc. Token burn program. Go live. And at last, thanks for watching our video.